This video is going to show you how to de-dupe duplicate products. A duplicate product is where the path leading to a product is the same. There's nothing that differentiates between two items that you have in the system. So if your category is the same, product description is the same, and the variant information is the same, it might not be the same product, but what you're using to describe it means that the system can't work out that that's actually a different product. So I'll show you how to sort those out now. When you're browsing through your system and you view products, if it comes across a duplicate product, I believe this one here has got a duplicate on it, it will give you a notification. So you can see an alert has popped up here. If I click on that, because I've gone into the product a couple of times, I've got a few alerts about the same product here. It basically gives me the two barcodes of the conflicting product. Now, the alerts don't always pop up straight away. You can browse through a number of products and then it will just pop up a little bit later on. So it gives you the barcode here. So if ever you get this message, you want to just make a note of this barcode number, look it up, and you know that that's something that's got a duplicate path. So if I go back to Explorer, so it's this particular product here. It looks fine when I look at this view, but I know that because of the alert, I know there's something wrong with it. If I go to modify and then view tags, that will actually drill down onto the product so I can see the sizes and the variant information. And if I look at these, there'll be something about this where there's duplicate information. So I can see it's this bit here, it's the size. So I can see here that we've got same product color, same size as this one below, the same length. A different primary barcode. Everything will have a different primary barcode, so that's fine. But it's this information here is my variant information, these three boxes, category information here, and that's the description. So all of that path and the variant information on those two items is the same. So basically I've got two 12s there. Probably when I imported this, that should have been a size 13 or something along those lines. So in order to correct this one, I need to change that 12 to a 13, or I could delete that 13 out or handle it however I wanted to. To change that, make sure I'm on tags, which I am, and I'm in modify mode. If I click edit, I can then right click on the line that I want to change. You can also highlight multiple lines here. I could click on this, could highlight a number of them. If I right click, set attribute, I want to change the size on this to 13. Let's put 13 at the top. That's because I haven't actually included 13 in my size range, so it doesn't know how to sort it. But I've now got 13 at the top. I should have just the 112 at the bottom. Okay, so that's renamed that duplicate 12 to a 13, and that means I've de-duped that item. So just to recap, the problem you'll have is when you send information to a website or a third party, because you're sending through what it might think is an actual duplicate product rather than an item that's just not described very well. And often your website will reject the product because it thinks you've already got it on there.